Good morning สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะโอเคค่ะ Let's go
얼마나 또 이걸 벌써 쓰지?
아, 안에 더워서 쓰는 거예요? 아, 이런 근데 포스클이 하나, 그렇게 하고 있나 봐.
Perfect. Everyone first, welcome to Fresh Coconut Milk Shop นะคะ This shop we can find fresh coconut milk, fresh coconut cream, first coconut. If you see the skin brown color, and the skin outside brown color, this one is old coconut นะคะ Old coconut for cooking, we can make coconut milk, coconut cream, but coconut you drink at the restaurant, that one is young coconut. Okay. Next, the seller show us how to make it นะคะ First, make layer powder by coconut powder cream. Make layer powder first. Second time, mixing water, coconut milk. First time, this one 100% coconut. Coconut cream. Any question? Not yet, not yet. If no question, next station นะคะขอบคุณค่ะ
뭐라 알아듣겠어?
Everyone for this shop I will explain about Thai seasoning นะ First ค่ะ I start with coconut sugar coconut sugar or sometimes you see from the market packet palm sugar
설명 들었어?
네.
슈가랑 코코넛 슈가랑 맛 똑같고
맛 똑같은데 이렇게 오래 하는 게 다르고
요리할 땐 코코넛 슈가
Today green curry paste color from green chili โอเคนะคะ Next นะคะ ginger family ginger in Thai we have one ขาดข่าค่ะ eggplant green curry green curry
거의 딱 그걸 답이 이거 나중에 계란한 것만
more power heavy นะ
무겁네요.
Imagine you taste someone get more power center like this I show you นะ when you do นะคะ see the main into the middle brain see more until like harder heavy imagine
그래서 좋다
이게 진짜 무겁구나.
해보시죠 아니 마지막 자 이거 마지막에 될까요?
Pumpkin we have special nine we have two size small and this one นะคะ I wanna take the seed out ยืนกันเขาเลย it's okay it's okay yep coconut cream มัสซาเก่งมากค่ะ good teamwork this one perfect wash มัสซาการนูนไม่ take the bubble เนาะ put the fruit all here put all fruit here after smaller turn back on the place
아, 또 구워봐요? 네. 아, 진짜? 나 사본 줄 알았어.
스페이싱 라. One, two.
갈비. 와, 술을 이렇게 잘 먹네.
거의 없는 거 같아.
and mixing แกงจะมี curry นะเขียว green color color green green don't burn นะ green curry not black curry อ่ะหนูหยิบกระทะใหม่ที่ใบบอกมี
왜 펜 바꿨어요?
어?
펜 바꾼 거죠?
타서.
다 안 타서.
올릴 것 같아.